every one of those police officers that collected bribe, they will vomit it. You come out as a pastor, you are shouting no Muslim ticket, and yet you that is a pastor, you are the one going around arresting people and detaining them. Shame on you. We are fighting against injustice. We are saying there should be no Muslim ticket in this election. And pastors, you climb the altar, you are shouting, and yet you detain somebody. Every day you are changing it. You detain him, take him to court, let's see what happens. Charge him to court.
Away, my country people. Update. It don't happen, it don't bust. No be small thing, no be small bass boso. Before we go touch like this matter, my first greet una. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Based on where you are watching me from, if you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. And if you like what they do, I beg, give me star. Give me superstar, beg. Whether na superstar be na chat, anyhow when they call them, me na give me star. Now that one we take the chopper. Let's go straight to the point. No be small thing, no. On I know the matter when they grant the saga, the gbas between Amos' brother Joseph when they can't detain no they packer and put for kiri. You get one man of God when they say na he packer and put for kiri whether na Susu on I understand. They can't detain am now. They don't grant and bail. They don't bail am. No be small thing. This man do Susu, my people. He use man take this gwangwa Susu, my people. I say wahala do. Wahala really dey. He say if you know say he dey guilty, or if this guy dey guilty, may he charge am to court. They will know whether he dey guilty or not guilty. Say he use money to bribe all the police people everywhere because say he get money. He can detain this guy. He can detain him for Nigeria custody. Kiri, he can detain him. Say no, say injustice. Say this one. Say they go fight him. May he take this guy where he go take and go. Say he go climb altar. Say he go dey shout no more. On I understand dash. Now then I talk really show. If on to say I dey lie for inside this video, men I watch where this man for the talker. I say what? Make una regade.
That's what we are talking about. Those of you who are underrating women when it comes to politics, you have no idea the action they can bring. She came and she brought action, letting them know what it means to detain somebody for this long. This is why I joined politics. And guess what? This just made me renew my commitment. We're not going to stop. This injustice must stop in our nation. To come out as a pastor, you are shouting no Muslim ticket. And yet you that is a pastor, you are the one going around arresting people and detaining them. Shame on you. We are fighting against injustice. We are saying there should be no Muslim ticket in this election. And pastors, you climb the altar, you are shouting, and yet you detain somebody. Every day you are changing it. You detain him, take him to court, let's see what happens. Charge him to court, let the court decide if he's guilty. But no, you bribe all the whole police. Every one of those police officers that collected bribe, they will vomit it. We just started. You detain him since Tuesday. Today is Saturday. If not by push, by force, they will not have released him. You put him in detention for nothing. And you say you are a pastor, you are a man of God. I thought you pray to God. When we speak, people say, don't speak, don't do pastor. So I'm only allowed to speak against politicians. I just came from AIT show. I spoke against every politician who is doing the wrong thing. So as a pastor, if you do the wrong thing, I will speak against you. Let me hear that man of God mention no Muslim ticket. I will personally disgrace you in public. I am pissed off, I am mad. This is why we join politics. Because of injustice. Because you have money, because you have connection. You detain somebody who did not commit any crime. You say for defamation. Defamation is not an arrestable crime. If somebody defame you, you go to court, you file a civil case. If the judge finds him guilty, he pays the penalty or the fine. But no, because you think you have police, every single police officer who collected money, you will vomit it. I'm telling you, I'm not going anywhere. You will vomit that money. The case will begin this week. What arrant nonsense. Once again, I'm really...
My people, sure on I don't watch the video. Not my matter for hear Ramo. He say if he hear no more dash for him mat, say he go personally disgrace the man of God. My people, no be small wahala, no be small thing. He say he dey climb altar every day, but he dey use ogbaligbe ekelebe they chase people. Say e no make sense. Oh, my people, I say wahala be like bicycle. If I not drop this one, it go be like say you get as my body be. Now I can't say I must drop this one for honor. I must drop this one for honor. My people, they say wahala be like bicycle. Wetin una think for inside this video? Make una leave una opinion on the comment section there down there. Make una leave am now that place. If I say I go the carry or I go the laugh. I go dey laugh. Oh, now that one they make me they laugh. Now that one they give me joy. The comment like they give me joy. No be smarting, no. Now here now one for leave on. Thank you guys for watching. I so much appreciate you guys. Bye bye everyone.